To enable talkback via phone setting menu in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find accessibility. Tap accessibility, tap talkback, and then tap the on off switch. A pop-up window will appear to tell you the permission the talkback need. To continue enabling the talkback, tap allow.
Talkback on. Talkback on Galaxy Watch 4 Manager is off. If you want to use Talkback on your watch, tap here to turn it on. Talkback. Navigate up button. Double tap to activate. Double tap and hold to long press.
When talkback is on, you will be given with the spoken feedback for the focus item on the screen, so you can use your device without looking at it. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.